$2 secret, we got number 7 today. Okay, number 7 in our secret extra lucky strategies, right? So this one is building a strong foundation. Okay, we all need a strong foundation. So where does the foundation exist for your house? Of course, it's that concrete slab or, something that is very sturdy depending on, the type of environment that you're living in. We, of course, wouldn't build our house on quicksand or necessarily in the water. I mean, maybe you live in a houseboat, but even that has some really good materials that would build that up. Okay, you wouldn't build your boat out of mesh, right? It would just leak right through. So your business is the same idea. You need to have a big foundation and a strong and sturdy foundation. And what that foundation is basically the platform that's going to allow you to continue to communicate with your clients and your subscribers and your members. And one of the biggest tools there is an email autoresponder. And so inside the book, I actually mentioned some of those things. Okay, not to talk about it right here necessarily, but just that idea that you'll have a foundation where you can constantly get people to engage with you and you can engage with them and vice versa, because you're going to offer them something that starts to build up your business. Okay, just like you have to put the foundation down now first to build up your house, for example, you have to have some platform to capture leads. You have to have a platform to allow them to be instantly gratified with some sort of product or some sort of they've called it in the past an ethical bribe, or you could call it a freemium, some offer that you want to give them. If let's say you're a pizza shop, you want to give maybe free coupon, maybe give a bonus upgrade to the pizza, which could be a free topping or 2 free toppings if they subscribe to your newsletter in your email list, because now that means you have their contact information and you can send them an email down the road. Let's say next week you're running a special, or maybe no one's coming for a pizza yet. You send out an email blast to all your current subscribers and says, okay, we're now having $10 large pizzas for anyone to come in for pickup, okay, pickup only. And so next thing you know, that pizza that was $16 that no one was buying, maybe someone comes in, maybe 5 people come in and they get it for $10. So you've started to get some people coming in. And more than likely, they're not just going to buy one pizza. Maybe they pick up a second pizza. Maybe they've bought some wings. Maybe they get a salad. And maybe they throw in a 2-liter bottle of soda there. So there's always the option for upgrades and upsells as you continue to promote to them and when they come in your store. And that often happens for many stores. Okay, offer a coupon first and then keep bringing them back. But that's the idea, having that foundation, having the tools. It could be a website. It could be an autoresponder. Okay, the autoresponder would be the key thing on your website. Don't just have a website, have a way to capture their information so you can continue to contact them over and over and over again. Show them some crazy videos. Again, if it's a pizza place, show them how you make the pizzas. Talk about cooking it. Half the time, don't worry about them stealing your ideas and then, building a pizza store. They don't want to do that. They want someone else to do it. That's why they come to you. Okay, likely their pizza isn't going to turn out the same. Okay, the conditions are different, the wood burn stove versus, their electric stove. They're not going to want to do it. They want it quick and easy. They want someone else to do it. So show them how it's done. Give them the knowledge, give them some information, give them a series, but then also give them some incentive to come back. Again, throw in a coupon, give them a discount, do something like that. Okay, so that idea, the foundation. Now, you might say, oh, well, I already have Facebook and I already have Instagram and I already have YouTube. Those are phenomenal, and I think that's great, and you should have those platforms. The problem is you don't own them. Okay, that's crucial. You don't own them. So if you do something on there that someone else doesn't like, then YouTube can shut you down. Facebook can shut you down. Instagram can shut you down. I mean, Facebook owns Instagram, so they can shut you down. And so in the process, you've gone from having a high list with a lot of engagement to absolutely nothing. So if you haven't captured their emails, you can't communicate with anybody right now. So make sure you're having that foundation to build your list so that you can constantly engage with people and you can keep selling them, all right? This has been strategy number 7 in the secret strategies. Okay, look out for number 8 tomorrow. And so make sure, again, you're constantly checking your email. We'll talk to you soon.